My KTM had a problem. It was running too lean. So in order to find the problem, I had to get the fuel out of the tank and remove the fuel filter that was completely clogged up. And while doing this, I checked the valves and did some checks to see like whether everything is okay. Anyway, test run starts. The bike is still disassembled. There's no air filter, but it was running fine. So next thing to do is, of course, to go out in the woods and have a nice test ride to see whether the power is there and it's running fine. So off in the forest. So it turns out everything is running fine. No clogging, no bogging. A smooth ride. We're going up this little hill. You have a lot of wheel spin, of course, if you go fast like this. The engine is really working smoothly, and I can run nice and fast over these gravel tracks in my neighborhood. And on the way home, of course, the last piece of off-road track is always going by this, let's say, soft sand area, which is always fun. And with a big fat motorbike, you wouldn't do that. It's like too soft and you fall in the sand eventually. But with a light motorbike like the KTM, it's very easy. You see like some shake in the bars here, so it's trying to wobble around.